Today you'll discover how you can train, eat and live like a caveman for the best health of your life. When it comes to improving your fitness and your overall health, you know there are a lot of options out there. With all sorts of diets and exercise plans being marketed on a daily basis, it's hard to know which one will give you real results, and which diets and fitness programs are just plain full of hype and misinformation. For most people, fitness has always been about things like exercise machines, supplements, and low-fat diets. But the little-known truth that most people don't know is that these modern-day methods for losing weight, getting in shape and becoming healthier just don't work as well as they claim to. In fact, some modern fitness and diet programs can potentially even harm your health and have the reverse of the effects you're looking for. Simple things like getting outside more, getting some natural sunlight, moving our bodies in our natural environment, and eating balanced, natural foods can make for a world of improvement when it comes to improving overall health and wellness and feeling better. For the most part, this shift in thinking and going back to a more natural way of living is working really well. And you can get in the best shape of your life and become healthier without adding unhealthy supplements and eating diet foods that look healthy on the surface but have little to no nutritional value. With obesity rates higher than they've ever been, we must do something different if we want to get different results. Going back to the basics is the key to taking back your health. And by basics, I mean going way back. How far back? Thousands of years ago. Back to the age of the caveman. In those days, obesity was not an issue. There were no diet foods or supplements needed. That's because our ancestors got everything they needed from eating healthy, whole foods. They didn't run on treadmills or have to get gym memberships either. That's because they spent time in the sun, in their environments, moving their bodies. Here's the bottom line. Our bodies were not made for our modern lifestyles. Our bodies aren't supposed to sit at a desk for hours on end, or eat processed foods. Simply by getting back to the basics, you can improve your health more than you ever thought was possible. That's why I've put together a guide that will show you exactly how to live like a caveman and change your health for the better in the next few weeks. Inside this guide to improving your health with primal living, you'll get in-depth teaching on things like what foods you should be eating for maximum weight loss without losing energy, why you don't always have to eat low-fat foods. There are some foods high in fat that are great for you. The foods you should never eat if you want to improve your health and live a long life. The age-old question on whether you should be eating bread is answered inside. Why all calories are not created equally. Why you may not need to worry about taking supplements. Plus, the problem with modern exercise. Why going to the gym is not natural for the body and often doesn't work that well. How incidental training or nano workouts can change your life. How to reduce stress and truly live the primal lifestyle for better health. And a whole lot more. This guide really will give you a fresh look on how to become healthier and improve your health by living like a caveman. At this point, you may be wondering if this guide is for you. If you answer yes to any of these, you need this. You're looking to lose weight. You want to get stronger. You're not really sure where you stand right now when it comes to health and fitness. You've tried diets and fitness programs in the past and not seen good results. Or you just simply want to improve your overall health. When you make the wise decision to grab my guide today, you'll get everything you need to improve your health and change your life for the better. And not just a little bit. You can see a major positive shift in your health when you make the wise decision to embrace the primal lifestyle. But the best part about this guide is the price. Although what you'll learn inside is the next best thing to spending hundreds or even thousands of dollars on a private fitness expert, you won't pay anywhere near that today. For a very limited time, you can get access to this for less than you'd likely spend on a tank of gas. To get started and lock in your special pricing, click the Add to Cart button below. And this is about to get even better. When you take action today, you'll get access to some extremely valuable fast action bonuses. Fast Action Bonus number 1 is a cheat sheet that breaks down the guide into some very easy-to-follow step-by-step processes. This cheat sheet makes it easy to stay focused and committed to getting maximum health with primal living. Fast Action Bonus number 2 is a mind map that gives you an overview of everything inside the guide. It's great for those people that need to see it all laid out in a visual format. Fast Action Bonus number 3 is a resource guide that conveniently lists all of the important tools and resources you need to live the primal lifestyle. And Fast Action Bonus number 4 is a beautiful infographic that makes it easy to see the exact steps you need to take to improve your health by living like a caveman. And don't worry, you don't have to make a decision today. You get a full 30 days to test drive this life-changing fitness guide to make sure this is for you. If for any reason, or no reason at all, you're not 100% satisfied with what's inside, simply let me know and I'll promptly refund your tiny investment. No questions asked. Don't delay. If you come back tomorrow, the price may be higher and this offer may not even be available. If you're ready to become the healthiest you possible and see big improvements in the way you feel, click the button below to get instant access and get started today.